Hello everyone, my name is Nick Collier. I'm a solutions consultant here at PKF, and today we're just going to be looking at the line level approvals that we can set up on Sage Intacct. So if I just start by showing you the transaction definitions that we have set up in the system currently. What these are is essentially just us defining a workflow to say how the documents pass through the purchasing process and how we would find that on the system. So you can see our workflow starts with the purchase requisition, and they can be automatically converted to a purchase order. And the purchase orders can then be converted to a purchase invoice, all the way down to handling our credits here. So because we've defined this workflow in a very specific way, it means that we can set up our approval policies to be specific to each stage of that workflow. So if I go to my purchasing and configuration, and I scroll down to manage my approval policies, and I press here, you can see I've already got a couple set up in here. But let's say, for example, I wanted to set up a line level approval for each different department that I have. If I have a purchase invoice and I have multiple different departments on there. So I'll just select my stage of the transaction definition. So I'm choosing a purchase invoice. And then from there, I can define either a rule type. So we've got value approval in here, value progressive, value approval for department as well. Just have a look at what that actually looks like. You can see what I'm basically saying here is that for any purchase invoice, I want anything from 0 to 250 to have a minimum of 1 approver, anything from 250 to 500 needs a minimum of 2 approvers, 500 to 1,000, 3, anything over $1,000 is 4 approvers minimum. Now, what would that look like for the line level approval? So let's take the example, as I said, for a departmental approval. And let's say someone raises a PO or someone creates an invoice with 2 lines, and they might have 2 different departments on each line. Essentially, when that's pushed through and is pushed for approval, they will then set off into those each individual lines for each individual department approvals that we have set up. And essentially, until both of those department managers have fully approved each line, and both of those lines will then be approved, that is when we can then essentially push that document onto the next stage of the workflow. So all you'd have to do, even though we don't have a very specific rule type that says a line level approval here, you can see that I could just set up the departmental approval, and then once I break that out, when the invoice comes on multiple lines, then I would be able to push that out and have each line approved for each line that is actually on the invoice. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, just drop me an email or reach out to someone on our team, and thanks for listening.